Welcome everyone to Code with Hafiz. In today's class, I am going to understand you why we use underscore in Python. So, have you ever seen underscore in Python and thought, why is this here? So today I will show you a powerful trick used by professional developer. So let me assign a values of list, name, age, and then the role and the country for the list data. So we assign values of each item of this list to these variable each. So if I print the name, age, role and the country, so and save my code, clear my terminal, python list underscore unpacking dot py. As you see, I am getting name and the age and the role and the country. So if you want to skip some values of list not required which are, so in this case I am going to use the underscore, and if I clear these two values from here and if I print this, as you see I am getting Ali Pakistan. So see the output inside terminal. I hope you will see this. We are getting the two items of list. So these means ignore the items, ignore the data which we assign. So we are ignoring the 25 and the engineer, and we are getting the country. So in this way you will apply the underscore to ignore some values from list. So we are using basically as a variable. So this is not a special keyword in Python. So let me write another example how you will ignore with asterisk. And if I run this again, clear my terminal, as you see I am getting Ali and Pakistan. We are ignoring the two values by using this special character with underscore. So I hope this will make sense for you. If any doubt till now, please comment it. So Python basically matches the position. So we have a name for the Ali, and then the underscores we ignore the 25, and then we ignore the engineer. So and then we assign the country, the Pakistan to the country, and then we print. So print we result we get the Ali and Pakistan. So if you want to print in separate lines, so what will you do? Print name and print country, and if I print clear my terminal, and if I run this again, clear my terminal, okay, everything is okay. Let me zoom out to see my whole code. So if I run this again, python list underscore unpacking dot py, iteration 1 count, let me clear this is creating problem. So if I clear my terminal again and run my code, you will see I am getting Ali and Pakistan. So in this way you will multiple ignores values with this special character using underscore and asterisk. So this is for now. If any doubt till now, please comment it. Thanks for watching.